In this video, I'll show you how to switch to a cash account on Robinhood.
By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video.
First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account.
Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account page. From there, tap on the menu in the top corner to open your settings options. Inside the menu, find and select Investing. When you're inside the Investing section, scroll down a little until you see Account Type. Here, you'll be able to see whether your account is currently set to margin or cash. If your account is set to margin, you'll see the option to switch to cash account. Tap on Switch to Cash Account. Robinhood will then show you some information explaining the differences between a margin account and a cash account. Review the details carefully so you understand how your account will function after the switch. If you decide to continue, follow the on-screen steps to confirm the change. Once completed, your account type will be updated to a cash account. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.